Hey everyone, it's Dr. Joyce Park here, board certified dermatologist. I decided today was the day we're gonna do a massive unboxing. I've been gone away from my house for a few weeks here and there over the past couple of months for international trips, and the PR boxes near my entryway just kept on accumulating. The more boxes that accumulated, the more I didn't want to open them. So today I'm getting over that activation energy and I'm gonna open everything. They're all actually already cut open, splayed out around me on this dining table, and we're gonna go through all of the goodies that I received. First off is a little package, two packages actually, from Maelove. This is the first package. I have heard really great things about Maelove. I haven't fully tried their products yet, but I'm just gonna give you a rundown of the products they sent me and the ingredients that they have. So they sent me two different retinol products. One is the Maelove Moonlight Retinol Super Serum, and the other is the Maelove Stargaze Enhanced Retinol with an O. And there is a difference between retinol and retinol. I go over this in one of my previous videos about the retinoid activation pathway, but basically you have retinol esters that then get converted to retinol, that get converted to retinaldehyde, and then that gets converted to retinoic acid, which is the most active potent form. The more towards this side you are, the more gentle the product is, the longer it will take to work, but also the lesser the side effects. Whereas on this side, the stronger and more potent the product is, the faster it will work. However, you are at greater risk of having redness, dryness, and irritation from the side effects. They also sent me the Fade Away Brightening Serums. The main brightening ingredients are the alpha-arbutin and the kojic acid. So this could be a good alternative for people who don't want to use hydroquinone, which is a bleaching agent that we sometimes use for hyperpigmentary disorders like melasma, and this can be helpful for lightening up your acne scars or any of your kind of brown spots. So this could be a good adjunct or even a replacement for that. This one is the Maelove Super Smooth Resurfacing Serum, and this one mainly it's a hybrid AHA-BHA. So it comes with lactic acid and glycolic acid. Those are the AHAs, and then salicylic acid, which is your BHA. So this is basically going to help you resurface your dull skin, decongest your pores. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the first package. Wow, I'm gonna have to speed it up if I want to get through like 20 of these. They also sent me a second package. This is a BHA clay facial scrub. So this is probably better for those with oily skin. Salicylic acid can get deeper into the pores. It's better at cleaning out oil. It's also a great exfoliant. So this also has clay in it, which is also great for decongesting your pores. This is a scrub that you could use a couple times a week if you tend to have oily or acne-prone skin. Maelove Eye Enhancer. So this is an eye gel. What is the active ingredient here? Glycerin, squalane, sunflower seed oil, caffeine, which is great for constricting the blood vessels around your eyes if you have dark circles from visible veins. The Night Renewer, gentle exfoliating cream while hydrating your skin. This cream has glycolic acid, which is an AHA, so this is a resurfacing cream. This is the Maelove Plush Cream, a featherweight moisturizer. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this. This is perfect, they say, if you have normal to oily skin, because it's a very light moisturizer. I'm actually curious to try this because I've been looking for a good daytime light moisturizer. I'm just gonna rub the cap on the back of my wrist here, which is clean because my fingers are a little bit dirty from opening up all of these things. So this is a very, very lightweight lotion. It like absorbs really quickly. So yeah, exactly as they said, if you have really oily skin, you might like this. Or if it's a super hot day in the summer, you don't want anything heavy. I probably would opt for something a little bit thicker. Niacinamide and zinc antioxidant serum, hyaluronic acid, panthenol and resveratrol serum, and the Glow Maker. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this one. And this one is a blend of vitamin C, E, ferulic acid, and sodium hyaluronate, which is the salt of hyaluronic acid. And the form of vitamin C in this is ascorbic acid, which is the same as our Holy Grail SkinCeutical CE ferulic. Again, just because it has the same ingredients, it doesn't mean it's formulated in the same ratio or tested in the same way as our Holy Grail SkinCeutical CE ferulic. However, I am looking forward to trying it. Next, I got this mailer from HelioCare. I actually was first introduced to HelioCare at the AAD when I was a resident, and this is actually a supplement that gives you additional SPF. Not to be used on its own, this is an adjunct, right? This doesn't replace your sunscreen. So HelioCare is actually a plant-derived supplement. It is derived from Polypodium leucotomus, which is a fern. And basically, I recommend this for anyone who is super, super fair, redhead, blonde hair, light-colored eyes, like really at risk for getting sunburnt, at high risk for developing skin cancers and sun damage. This is a useful adjunct if you're gonna be out and about all day long, like you're going to the beach, or you're going to an amusement park, or you're doing a pool day where you're gonna be outside for 8 hours. And even if you reapply your sunscreen, even if you're wearing a rash guard, sometimes you still get burned. So then this is a useful adjunct for that. I like to take these supplements if I, again, know I'm gonna be outside for a really long time, and it just helps provide that extra level of protection as an adjunct. And they sent me a little Yeti tumbler. Cool. This package is from Dr. Jart. This package contains a whole bunch of BB creams, beauty bombs in every color. So I will probably choose like either the lightest or the second lightest. I am interested in this product because it's one of those like makeup skincare hybrid products. This is a beauty bomb with niacinamide, and it hydrates, conceals, and protects. It has SPF 40. So it's basically like a tinted moisturizer sunscreen. So I am really excited to try that because, as you guys know, every single day I usually just wear tinted sunscreen. But if there's like a BB cream that gives me a little bit more coverage, then I'm super interested in that. And then this one is a 5% multi-acid radiance peel. What's in this one? This one is with AHA, BHA plus hyaluronic acid. This basically will help to decongest your pores. That's Dr. Jart. This one is the Skinbetter Alpharet Eyemax overnight cream. And what I think is so cool about it is that y'all know I have really sensitive skin. So the only retinoid that I can actually use on my sensitive rosacea prone skin is the Skinbetter Alpharet. And I've worked my way up to even using the Alpharet Intensive Overnight Cream. Retinoids are not typically that safe to use around the eyes because the eyelid skin is very sensitive and it can get very irritated. And so this product is very intriguing to me because Skinbetter actually created their own retinoid molecule that they conjugated with the lactic acid. So this is a retinoid, however, it's available over the counter, and the name of the molecule is ethyl lactyl retinoate. Retinoid conjugated with a lactic acid. I'm really looking forward to trying this around my eyes, especially because I'm getting so many eye wrinkles. I think from smiling too much and not enough Botox. This was from Fresh. As some of you may know, I actually went to Paris with the Fresh team on a PR trip to celebrate the launch of this new product. So I actually got to go behind the scenes to the LVMH labs to see how this was created. And this new T-Elixir Skin Resilience Activating Serum is formulated with this APT technology. And I actually got to see the mitochondria under the confocal microscope to see how they reacted to oxidative stress before and after application of this serum, of the APT technology. It was really neat to see how those skin cell lines could still function and maintain their structure despite the stresses that were placed upon them because they had the APT technology added to that tray. So I hope you guys get a chance to try this. I'm a huge fan of Fresh. I've been using them since I was in college. The soy face cleanser is like a holy grail skin cleanser for me, so hope you all enjoy that as well. Got some sunscreens from Glytone. Both of them are mineral. This one's broad spectrum 40, this one's broad spectrum 50. They contain a lot of goodies. Like this one, which is more hydrating, has hyaluronic acid squalane and it's mineral. And this one is zinc with niacinamide, vitamin E, and ellagic acid. I'm not familiar with ellagic acid. This one is from Cerave. I actually was just with them in New York for a Cleanse Like a Derm event. And this one says, raise the standard of sunscreen skincare. A little sampler here. So it has the whole routine. It starts with the hydrating facial cleanser, the cleanser that I love. It has ceramides. And then it has the moisturizing cream for your body. And then the hydrating mineral sunscreen. This one is not tinted, which I'm actually happy they sent me the non-tinted one because I tried the tinted one probably 1.5 years ago and it was a little too dark on my skin tone. And then also the AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This one's the one that I get from my husband because obviously he doesn't want a tinted sunscreen. And this one is just really, really light. He doesn't like anything that's too sticky or that's too shiny. So this one is just really hydrating. He also has dry skin. He has eczema, so he wants a sunscreen that also is a lotion. So this really does the trick. This was a heavy one to bring in. I'm barely able to lift it. This is from Roche-Posay and it's for a 7-day cleanse for all skin types. Share good cleansing habits. There are all these different cleansers. Here's one for acne prone skin. And this one is the Effaclar with 2% salicylic acid, so that's great for decongesting your pores and helping you cut down on oil. That's a BHA. This one is for extra dry skin, the Lipicar AP Plus Wash. I have always been a fan of this one. You know what this feels like? This feels like I'm opening an advent calendar. This one is for aging skin. This is a brightening cream, pigment cream, after cleansing care. Oh, there's your thermal spring water. So that's like a spray for soothing, for normal skin. Oh my gosh, guys, this is kind of heavy. Anyways, this is one of my favorite cleansers, the Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. It has ceramides, niacinamide, and it's just super, super gentle. It takes off my makeup as well. I really love it, so I'm glad I have another full-size bottle for all skin types. Oh, awesome, micellar water. This is a wonderful makeup remover. Oily skin. So this one is the Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser, and this one's a foam, so it's better targeted towards oily and acne-prone skin, and this is great for sensitive skin as well. And this one has the thermal water, the niacinamide, and the ceramides. So this one is very similar to this one, except this one's more hydrating, and it's in a more hydrating creamy base, whereas this is a foaming wash. I need to put this down, it's heavy. Okay, next, I wanted to talk about 2 vitamin C's that I got. The vitamin C from the Body Shop, which is formulated with bakuchiol, which is an alternative to retinol or retinoid, plant-based, and the First Aid Beauty Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. So this has niacinamide and vitamin C. And what I think is interesting is that both of them contain the same formulation of vitamin C. They both contain 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid. So this is different from L-ascorbic acid. This is 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid, which actually has been shown to be a more stable form of vitamin C. It's also lipophilic, meaning it can have better penetration into the skin and it has lesser chance of being oxidized. So we all know that L-ascorbic acid, which has the most research and is the most well studied, also has the drawback of turning brown within a couple of months because it's oxidized. However, 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is in these, is more stable, meaning hopefully it can last longer. It can also be used at less acidic pHs so that it's less irritating on the skin. So for all these reasons, 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid could be a good vitamin C choice for you. All right, moving onwards. This box is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This has been all over TikTok. Like, I see people talk about this incessantly, so I've never actually tried it, and I'm very excited to try it. So their trick is that you can mix this into your foundation, or mix it with your blush, or mix it with your bronzer, and it just basically provides that extra boost of hydration to whatever your makeup is. Or you can use it alone as a serum. So this one has, like I mentioned, niacinamide, which helps with brightening and antioxidant, and it also has watermelon, and it has hyaluronic acid, so helping to hydrate. This one is from Beekman 1802, and it is a new clay mask, the Milk Glaze Deep Pore Purging Lactic Acid Clay Mask. So clay masks and lactic acid, this is good for if you have oily skin, if you just feel like you have congestion in your pores, this can help take some of that away. So I'll be trying this out and letting you guys know what I think. This box is from Laneige. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited for this. I'm super excited because I have really dry lips year round. They're always chapped. Whenever I put on lipstick, you can see my dry flaky skin and I'm like, ugh. I've heard really good things about the lip masks from Laneige. I've never bought it, but they have the iconic berry and then they have mango, and it comes with these little applicators so you don't have to put your hands in the product. I just want to smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Kind of like tastes like mango. I'm running out of time a little bit. Some other stuff I need to do today, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. So this is from Community 66. I'm not actually familiar with this brand, so this will be my first time trying it. There is a balm cleanser for removing makeup, hydrating cream cleanser, a detox gel cleanser, an everyday mineral moisturizer, SPF 30, resurfacing night cream, a really soft facial towel, oil control moisturizer, a hydrating gel moisturizer, an eye cream, and a rich nighttime moisturizer. So I'm gonna try some of these and let you know what I think. This one is from Colleen Rothschild. Another box of goodies. This one comes with really, really, really soft facial towels, which I love because I use them not only on myself, but I use them on my son because he has really sensitive eczema prone skin. 2 cleansing balms, Radiant Cleansing Balm, glycolic acid peel pads, matcha tea treatment toner, toners, extreme recovery cream, sunscreen, triple defense sunscreen, SPF 40, and this is a pure mineral sunscreen. And this one, face oil number 9. Sounds fancy. It's a fancy brand, I think. Luxury facial oil with 9 transformative oils that provide an intense moisture boost. Thank you, Colleen Rothschild. I've never tried that brand before, but I'm looking forward to trying. You should see the space next to my dining table right now. It is really full. Just finishing up a couple more little boxes here. This one's from Violette, an all-over cream spray. So like a hydrating cream spray. It's a 3-in-1 spray that's a toner, serum, and moisturizer with probiotics. I am very interested in this because I'm very lazy and I like products that do a lot in one step. And then this one is a facial cream, this beautiful packaging. This also looks fancy. This is called Cela Cream. It's a facial cream. It looks really hydrating. I'm just gonna put some on my hand, rub it in. It feels on first application, it feels more like a lotion rather than a cream because it is more watery. No fragrance. You know, I like my creams with a little fragrance, but it feels really, really light. It absorbs very quickly. However, I can still feel the hydrating effects lasting on my arm. So really cool. All right, that was a lot. And I have so many products to test out for you. And I promise to do a review of everything. If not on YouTube, I'll at least post it on my other channels like TikTok or Instagram. I'm always curious to know what you think. Like, do you like unboxing videos? I haven't really done one before, so let me know if you like this format of seeing the mailers that I get. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot more skincare content coming for you soon. Until next time.